everyone, I'm Alec from Vizard, and today I want to show you a faster, smarter workflow for turning long videos into a stack of ready-to-post short clips without spending hours in Premiere or After Effects. If you're the kind of creator who records long conversations, interviews, or live streams, and wants to squeeze every bit of value out of that content, this video is specifically for you. Imagine you just finished editing a long interview in Premiere Pro, and you need to turn that single master file into 15 snackable clips for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Traditionally, people export the full video and manually chop it up, or they jump into yet another editor just to add subtitles, but that repetitive process is exactly where your time goes to die. Here is my secret sauce. Once your long video is finalized, export it like you normally would, keeping a little blank space at the bottom of the frame for future subtitles. Small tip: leaving that bottom margin helps ensure your future captions won't cover up anything important, which saves you a massive headache later on. Step 2 is uploading that file directly to Vizard, which is web-based and handles large files easily with a simple drag-and-drop interface. While your file is uploading, Vizard is already in the background analyzing the audio, visual cues, and engagement signals to find the best moments for you. The real magic is the auto-editing viral clips feature, which hunts down high-energy segments, punchlines, and natural beats that usually perform the best across social platforms. Once the auto-edit finishes, Vizard spits out a batch of short clips, and what I love is that the AI typically nails the in and out points so you don't have to micromanage the cuts. You can preview them side by side, make quick tweaks to intro lengths, or add a jump cut. But the time saved on the initial discovery is honestly massive. Now let's talk about captions, because we all know that on social media, subtitles are absolutely non-negotiable for retention. Vizard automatically generates these subtitles during the auto-edit process, transcribing your audio and placing the text tracks in the perfect spots right from the start. You can jump into the built-in editor to fix typos, shorten sentences, or style the captions with custom fonts, colors, and shadows to match your specific brand aesthetic. Whether you need burned-in captions for mobile viewing or separate SRT exports for professional distribution, the styling tools are all right there in line. If you have used other tools before, you know the pain. Some editors are great for subtitles but bad at finding viral moments, while others give you control but require manual labor. Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot by combining automated clip discovery with advanced subtitle generation, keeping you out of the weeds. Speaking of getting out of the weeds, step 3 is the auto-schedule feature, which allows you to set a posting cadence for all your new clips. You can decide to post one clip every day at noon for the next 2 weeks, or even set a more aggressive frequency for the weekends if that fits your strategy. Vizard's scheduler takes your approved content and queues it up automatically, saving you the incredibly repetitive job of manually uploading files to every single social handle. Then there is the integrated content calendar, which is step 4, a central hub to manage everything going live. The calendar view lets you drag and drop to reschedule clips, bulk edit thumbnails, and keep your entire workflow centralized and organized. If your social team works asynchronously, this is absolute gold, as you can leave notes on clips and keep everyone on the same page. It even helps prevent those awkward mistakes where you accidentally publish 2 similar clips on the same day. A quick pro tip from my experience: when editing your long video, try to mark the rough timestamps of your favorite moments while you are in Premiere. Vizard is great at finding attention grabbers, but your context matters, and the AI will prioritize those marks as high-value content. Also, remember to use the subtitle editor to shorten your text for mobile consumption, because people read much faster in real life than they do on a tiny phone screen. Lastly, pick your aspect ratios early, so if you want vertical reels, you tell Vizard to output 9:16 clips right from the start. Now, let's be honest about the limitations, because no AI tool is perfect, and sometimes the system might miss a subtle visual cue that a human editor would catch. Sometimes auto captions need a quick fix for weird names or technical jargon, and if you need extremely complex motion design, you will still want to finish those off in Premiere. But for most creators who want to scale their output and test a ton of clips without burning out, Vizard handles the absolute heavy lifting for you. Compared to other workflows, the takeaway is clear. Manual captioning is tedious, and exporting individually is a time sink. Vizard gives you an end-to-end shortcut to find, style, and schedule your content in fewer clicks, which is the core value. After your clips are published, use the analytics to see what is working, because the AI will actually learn from your selections over time. It starts surfacing clips that match the style that actually performs for you, turning this tool into a compounding advantage for your channel growth. You can absolutely keep your Premiere workflow and use Vizard just for the heavy lifting, then bring the clips back to your editor if you need fancy color grades. That hybrid workflow keeps all the creative control you want while massively reducing the time you spend on the boring discovery and cutting phase. So, to recap, export your long video, upload to Vizard, use the auto-editing tool, style your captions, and manage everything from the calendar. It is honestly the fastest way I have found to scale short-form content without having to sacrifice your entire weekend to the editing gods. If you have questions about specific platforms or how to tune clips for different channels, drop them in the comments and I will make a follow-up video just for you. Also, tell me which part of the workflow you want a deeper dive on, whether it is the caption editor or the posting cadence setup. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips, because we are always experimenting with new ways to make repurposing content easier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.